We are trying to create digital sex therapy to help people struggling with sexual dysfunction. When it really comes to overcoming sexual problems, most people don't have somewhere to turn, and Blueheart is that helping hand.
You know, when Sachin approached me, I sort of said, do you know my girlfriend's a therapist? Do you know that I've just spent the last however many months working in medtech?
We were just fortunate enough to come across something that we both believed in on a moral aspect, but also had a good, strong commercial proposition. Robbie is the best tech guy that I could have found. So when I met Robbie, it was also a fear that someone else might steal him for their own idea. It's really easy working together because we have such clear-cut roles. We have the classic commercial tech dynamic.
Sach is like the commercial whiz, spreadsheet wizard, amazing at talking to investors, getting people on board, and like coming up with this huge vision of what we're trying to do and putting it in terms where you just listen to it and you're just like, yes, this is what I believe.